Man, I am so late already, but I gotta take a second. You got this, look at this. Look at this sunset. Like, look how beautiful this sky is. You can't really see it, but oh my God, those colors are beautiful. Wow. There's like really nothing better than a Texas sunset, I'm telling you. Yo, I lost like mad weight and my pants are sagging like crazy, but oh well. We're out here, baby. I need to support my boy. We're here. I've been here a lot, Sangria on the Burg, and I never came out here and did the video, and today it's something special for one night only. One night only. They're gonna be doing hot chicken tacos, so I need to at least show you guys about this. If it's a one-time only thing, I mean, come on, why not do it? Let's go in there and see what it's all about. Put Maddie out of a job like that?
Yeah.
That's what we're doing right there, hot chicken tacos. Jameson and ginger. Always made perfectly. This is like my favorite drink here at Sangria on the Burg. Perfectly good. I think I see my boy Cheech in there. I think he's back there. Hold on, let me go see what's up real quick. Oh yes, he is. There's a boy flipping them birds. What's up, my man? Kitchen takeover treating you well?
Oh yeah, man. We love it here at Sangria.
Dude, I came out here because of those chicken tacos. As soon as I saw him, I was like, I have to go. Is that my boy Luke back there? What up, baby? How you doing, dog?
Good, man.
Oh yeah. What you doing back there, Luke? Getting down in 30?
Yes, sir. Hey, so you're gonna go out with me tomorrow to try that ramen? Are you scared or what?
I'm not scared, but I want to make sure we're gonna be back, bro.
No, we're not staying the night there. I have to come back.
All right.
Yeah. I got him also. He's gonna work in the morning, I think.
Okay, cool. Because I gotta work like at 8.
Damn, in the morning?
Yeah. And I'll make it.
But I mean, if you can't go to the test run, then you can just come to the real thing.
Yeah. On
the 11th or 12th and not have to worry about a deadline, because that's on a weekend.
But life's too short. Then something's gonna happen on the 11th and 12th.
Right? I missed all the opportunities.
Yeah.
Can't have that happen,
no,
doggy.
Definitely not, man.
Dude, so the bowl of ramen I had today at Suck It.
Yeah.
I went to Suck It Ramen today.
Was that your first time there?
Phenomenal. Yeah.
Hey, we gotta do more full Nelson Chichi for a local spot.
Let's go, dog. You want these extra hot, right?
Yeah, extra hot. Look at that drip, baby. Ooh.
Extra hot, right?
Extra hot. So what is this, like, what's the slaw, what's the topping?
The slaw is still my slaw. This is an avocado salsa that chef made.
Okay.
The tortillas are chef's tortillas.
And this is Caesar?
Yeah.
All
so
right.
Caesar's the pata from Sangria on the Burg.
And then what kind of pico?
Just regular pico de gallo. Tomato, onion, cilantro, lime juice, salt, simple stuff.
Compliment, not complicate.
Not complicate.
Ooh, did we just make a new motto?
I think we did.
Yeah.
Compliment, not complicate.
That is the full Nelson plate, right? What is on the fries? Is that queso?
Yeah, queso.
Nice.
Queso.
Ooh, Caesar's queso is the bomb.
Caesar's queso is the bomb.
Is your mouth watering yet? Let's take this thing outside and dig in. Oh, this is too gorgeous. Man, food is art, and I think you just created a masterpiece. Straight up. Boom! We got the plate right here, y'all. You already saw the fries. I'm gonna try them. This has Chef Caesar's queso drizzled on top of Chi Bird's fries. And it's a match made in heaven. So take a look at this gorgeous taco right here. This is a collaboration, a true collaboration. This is Chef Caesar's tortillas, Chi Bird's hot chicken, Chef Caesar's avocado salsa, and the Chi Bird's chicken drizzle. And then of course we got some slaw on top and some pico. So this is a very balanced collaboration. It seems like 3 of the ingredients are from Sangria on the Burg. The other 3 ingredients are from Chi Bird's. That's a 50-50 split. So let's go ahead and try this thing, see what it's all about.
Now it works. No, it's not. Oh, it's the wrong paper. That's the kitchen paper. Okay, this one's too. This is all. Which one it is?
Look at that drip. Look how thick that tender is. You can see all the striations. It's juicy. It's tender, like a tender's supposed to be. And it's got that nice crispness around it. Reminds me, it's similar to a fish taco, but it's a chicken tender taco. As soon as you bite into it, I love the way you get that nice crisp crunch from the fresh slaw. And then the pico adds some juiciness. You have, of course, the Chi Bird drip, the avocado salsa, and the tender itself is juicy. But with all that juiciness, it still does not become soggy. And that's hard to do. And I really appreciate that. There's 5 different heat levels, but I went ahead and got the extra hot. And it's hidden. You can see that Chi Bird sauce on the bottom. We're about halfway through with the taco, and you know I'm full Nelson, so we're gonna have to hit it from the back. Boom! That's the back side right there.
Those are the teeth. He told me he's on that.
That's my #1 pro tip for anybody. If you're about halfway done eating a taco and you want one of the most flavorful bites you could ever possibly get out of that taco, turn it around, hit it from the back, and it's just gonna explode with flavor. This bite right now sold me on the entire taco. All the flavor was allowed to drip down to the end as I ate it regularly. And then you flip it around, take that bite, and it was just perfect. It was literally a little bite of heaven. Let's talk about the tortilla for a quick second. Tortillas are one of the most important parts of a taco. If you got a bad tortilla, more than likely you're gonna have a bad taco. These tortillas are perfect. Great flavor, soft, delicious, and they don't overpower it. They complement the taco without overpowering it. And the best part about them is they're some big boy tortillas. They cover the entire tender. They hold in all that delicious goodness, all the sauces. You get a little tiny bit of drip, but not a lot. This is perfect. And I really love the way that it does not get soggy as you're eating it. I mean, I've had these tacos maybe 10 minutes already. Still no sign of any sogginess in the tortilla, and that's a really good thing. Too many times a bad tortilla ruins a taco, and that's not the case with the Sangria on the Burg / Chi Bird's hot chicken taco. I know this thing is only one night only that I could order this, but please, Sangria on the Burg, Chi Bird's hot chicken, do it for the fans. People need to try these. Hey, first Monday of every month, Chi Bird's will be here. I can't guarantee that the taco will be on the menu, But you can try this Nashville. Or do you know if is this gonna be permanent?
So next week I think we're doing a jalapeno ranch chicken taco like that.
Jalapeno ranch
Still on it, yeah.
with the hot tender still?
Yeah.
Woo! Boom! Count me in. All right, y'all, we're gonna wrap this review up, but you know I'm full Nelson. I invented the bite cam, so let me go ahead and give y'all a bite cam for the one time only Chi-Chi Bird hot chicken taco. Ooh. Let's go. Look how gorgeous that taco looks with that big fat piece of tender sticking out. Let's just go ahead and do this thing, y'all. We have to.
This guy's giving us points. So they have to choose. They have Westbrook and Durant.
Thanks, guys. Shall I follow you on YouTube?
Thanks, brother. I'm on the second taco, and it's still perfectly crispy. I love it. I love it. Nothing more left to say. Excellent tacos. I hope they come back someday. Come out, check them out. Every first Monday at Sangria on the Burg. Chi-Chi Bird is gonna be here, flipping birds, slanging them things. And I mean, honestly, you can't go wrong because they got the full bar, and then they do these crazy combinations like this with Chef Caesar of Sangria on the Burg, and it's just incredible. Big thank you to Chef Caesar, always showing me love here at Sangria on the Burg. Big thank you to Chef Caleb, doing his thing at Chi-Chi Birds, always showing me love as well. And thank you to you for watching. I appreciate everybody who's been subscribing. Thank you so much. That's it for my review of the hot chicken taco here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. Let YouTube know I'm doing a good job. If this is your first time here, maybe think about subscribing. I drop new food reviews, snack videos, foodie news, and all kinds of other foodie related things all the time. So make sure to subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss a thing. I appreciate you, Boom Squad, and I'll see you on the next one. I had a lot of fun with this one. Boom!
Had to do it for the Boom Squad, yeah. Them my guys, they got my back. We booming and you don't do that, so see your way out. Follow me on Instagram at Full Nelson Eats. You might like what you see. You might want to put it in your mouth. Talking about that meat, ha, talking about that food pick, dog. But you think disgustingly. But I ain't gonna really think about that. I ain't got no time to waste. So I'm trying to get a bag. Talking about that bag of money, not that bag of chips that you always be with.